Hi there. Today I will guide you through how to upload digital products on Gumroad. It's very simple and easy. The only thing you have to do is sign in your account to Gumroad. And once you will sign in, take a look on the left side. You will see different options from these. You have to select option product. Once you click on, you will get access to all of your products if you any have in Gumroad. But for now, I don't have. In order to upload a digital product, click on the option New Product. And here you can see the first thing is you have to enter the name of your product. Just like I will write a random name. So let me write, just for showing you, I write this. Now you have to select digital product. Once you will select, scroll down, and here is the pricing. Select the currency in which you want to get the money, and then enter your price, just like I will write. Once you write, scroll up, and tap on the option Next Customize, scroll down more. Here you can write the description for your product. You can use ChatGPT or any other AI, and with the help of that, you will get a good description for the product. But if you can write by your own, it will be very good. After writing the description, scroll down. And here is the images. You can upload images or video of your product. I will recommend you to upload images because it will be an eye-catching thing. Okay, now scroll down more. This one is the thumbnail. Click on it and upload a thumbnail. But make sure the thumbnail will be in good quality. If you want to add another additional detail for your product, then do it by yourself. Then click on the option Save and Continue. And here you have to paste the link of your product. Once you will paste, click on the option Save and Continue. You can share your product on the platforms like X, Facebook, or you can copy the link and you can send it on WhatsApp. But for now, I'll skip it. If I click on the product and you can see my product has been published and that's it.